Welcome to this explainer. We are jumping right into one of the most urgent and transformative shifts happening in the professional world today. If you're a business analyst, a management consultant, a product owner, or part of a strategy team, the landscape of your daily work is literally changing at lightning speed. Today, we're exploring Institute I4's highly acclaimed corporate training program, AI for Business Analysts and Consultants. And listen, this isn't just about learning some flashy new software tool. It's about future-proofing your career, elevating your everyday capabilities, and making absolutely sure that you and your team are leading the charge in this new AI-augmented business environment.
Okay, let's dive into this with a tough question that every professional needs to ask themselves right now. Are you truly leveraging generative AI, or are you just using it as a really expensive spell checker? It is incredibly easy to fall into the trap of thinking you're part of the AI revolution just because you asked a chatbot to rewrite a quick email or summarize an article. But if that's the extent of your AI integration, you're falling behind. You're leaving massive amounts of productivity and real strategic value on the table. We have to completely shift our mindset here. We need to move away from basic prompting and start treating AI like a true analytical partner. Think about it. Basic prompting, those simple little summaries and email rewrites, that's an easily replaceable skill. It's superficial. What Institute I4 focuses on is the strategic power of becoming a genuinely AI-augmented professional. We're talking about utilizing AI for complex industry research, uncovering deep data insights, structuring ambiguous information, and preparing for high-stakes stakeholder communication. That is how you transform from just a participant into an indispensable strategic asset.
So, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll hit the AI revolution in analysis. Then we'll do an overview of the Learning by Doing program. Third, we'll unpack the 10 applications and 5 workshops. Fourth, we'll cover responsible AI. And finally, how you can empower your corporate team.
All right, starting with part 1, the AI revolution in analysis.
Generative AI is fundamentally revolutionizing how analysts and strategy professionals work. It is the new operational baseline. But let's be real, highly skilled professionals don't have months to sit around learning abstract theories. You need practical, immediate integration, and that brings us to the solution. The Institute I4 program is built entirely around the number 1. It's a single, intensive, one-day instructor-led course. It's designed specifically for professionals whose job is to investigate business problems and advise decision-makers. You don't need advanced AI expertise, and you definitely don't need a computer science background. You just need the desire to elevate your workflows, and in just one day, you get the practical framework to do exactly that.
Moving right along to Part 2, Program Overview, Learning by Doing.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it highlights the total shift away from abstract, disconnected AI theories. It is all about real-world application. The core methodology Institute I4 uses is their 6-hour co-thinking framework. This ensures you're actually learning by doing, working through a connected business scenario. So instead of just typing random, disjointed prompts, you learn to structure AI assignments professionally. You assign the AI a specific role, like, say, a senior regulatory analyst. You define the exact business setting, you outline the dialogue and constraints, and then you construct these complex chain-of-thought prompts. You're effectively managing the AI the same way you'd manage a junior colleague.
And a massive perk? This framework is totally tool-neutral. The course showcases major platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Power BI Copilot, Notebook LM, and Gamma. But the real value is that it teaches you methods that transfer seamlessly across all of these. Plus, when they deliver this as corporate training, the tool demonstrations can be entirely customized and aligned to whatever secure, approved AI environment your specific organization already uses.
That brings us to part 3, 10 applications and 5 workshops.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because this core curriculum maps flawlessly to a consultant's actual daily life. It naturally follows the exact 5-step progression of a typical business assignment. First, you use AI to understand the situation through environmental scanning. Second, you discover the need by preparing for elicitation. Third, you analyze the evidence by finding insights in business data. Fourth, you evaluate the solution options. And finally, you communicate decision-ready recommendations. Within that smooth 5-step flow, the course covers 10 distinct practical AI applications and pairs them directly with 5 integrated hands-on practice workshops. For example, when you learn the application for preparing for elicitation, you immediately jump into the Elicitation Studio workshop to actually design interview questions and simulate stakeholder responses. When you cover analyzing business processes, you go straight into the process lab to diagnose inefficiencies. You are actively applying what you learn every single step of the way, building that crucial muscle memory.
Just visualize the sheer impact of this on your day-to-day work. Imagine taking a wildly dense, confusing 50-page regulatory document or a completely chaotic transcript from a 2-hour stakeholder meeting and using AI to instantly turn it into structured business requirements, clear decisions, and flagged risks. Imagine having the AI pinpoint the exact missing information you need to follow up on. You weren't replacing your analytical brain. You were supercharging your capacity to process information so you can get to the high-value strategic work so much faster.
Next up, Part 4, Responsible AI and Accountability.
So the crucial point is that this immense power comes with some major caveats. Anyone can type a question into an AI, but this program actually teaches professionals how to maintain trust and strict accountability. It's captured perfectly in this principle. AI generates possibilities. Professionals remain accountable. Look, AI output is not automatically accurate, it's not always complete, and it's certainly not unbiased. It is rarely ready for executive business decisions right out of the prompt box. The human-in-the-loop operating model is absolutely mandatory. As a human professional, you must always validate, refine, and take ultimate ownership of the final deliverables.
The training gets highly specific about how to mitigate these risks. You are trained on exactly how to spot hallucinations. Those moments when the AI just confidently invents totally unsupported claims. You learn how to protect confidential organizational data through proper prompting, how to identify and avoid AI bias in your stakeholder analysis, how to separate hard evidence from AI-generated assumptions, and critically, how to maintain strict traceability back to your original source information. You learn how to apply your organization's controls safely.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real, tangible value here. You don't just leave the course with some neat ideas, you walk away with reusable resources that guarantee an immediate return on your investment. You get an AI workflow guide to structure your tasks, a rich prompt pattern library designed specifically for business analysis, a strict AI output review checklist to ensure quality and compliance, and all the reusable workshop deliverables you created during the day, totally ready to be adapted to your actual projects on Monday morning. Finally, Part 5. Empower your corporate team.
If you're sitting there realizing how desperately your department needs this upgrade, well, Institute I4 makes it completely seamless to bring this training directly to your staff. They offer highly flexible delivery options to fit your operational realities. You can choose live online for distributed teams, in person for intensive on-site collaboration, or a private corporate cohort. But the real game changer? Institute I4 acts as a premier partner. They don't just deliver some generic off-the-shelf class. They will fully adapt and customize the course to your specific industry, your proprietary templates, your internal terminology, and your approved AI platforms. It literally becomes your bespoke training.
Look, the window to adapt to the AI revolution is open right now. Organizations that wait are simply going to be outpaced by those who equip their teams to use AI as a true analytical partner today. It's time to turn AI into better analysis and better decisions. I highly encourage you to contact Institute I4 right away to request a corporate training proposal and future-proof your entire team. After all, the big question isn't whether AI is going to transform your industry. It's whether your team will be the ones leading that transformation or the ones left behind.